time again, I had to clean up the junk room / anything goes room. As you see, it is towed up, honey. We was not able to get ready since Thursday in here. And I'm just going to take my time. I've already did laundry, so I don't have that to worry about. I keep a lot of rags because I like for us to change our rags every day. Honey, start with the face and throw it a motherfucking way. Anyway, yeah, so I'm just going to get this stuff out of the way. I finally took down my Christmas tree, so I got to pile all of it up. It's a lot of stuff I'm going to be putting in the closet, so I hope that I have enough space. I did change things around, and I also decluttered. I made sure that I got his caddy ready, so we are able to just zoom, bam, bam in the mornings. And yes, that was his little bowl that I bathe him with in the mornings. I love that book. But anyway, yeah, I'm just going to go through all this stuff. There's going to be a separate video where I go through all of this school stuff and throw it away. I've actually been in nursing school for a very long time. And I think I've completed the program 2 times and still haven't graduated. Anyway, I separate our clothes. And I separate everybody's clothes from everybody's clothes. Like, everybody's clothes get washed together. And then I do all my whites together. Yeah, so I'm just cleaning up in here, sweeping, making sure I'm putting stuff up. I am definitely tired at this point because I can't believe I be letting this room get like this. But it's okay because this is what I like, okay? I clean this room up every week, and, you know, that's what I do. It is so junky, I can't say. That big gray bag right there is full of sheets. I do not fold all my sheets up and put them anywhere. I take out what I'm going to use for the week, and then I put it in our little cubby, and then I'll change out our sheets like that. Yeah, so I had to move some stuff around and make some new room and area. It really does look nice. I actually like it like this because I put everything on the same wall. And of course, when I moved that, everything fell over, but it's all right because I'm going to fix it at the end. I'm just going to continue to move this stuff around. That way I can have some space in here when we come in the morning and everything be the way that we need it. I'm going to tell you this. You got to do what's best for you and your family. And if you don't do what's best for you and your family, then I don't know what to tell you here. I'm going to do me. And I'm going to always do what's best for my family. And I'm going to always do. But, like, just please know that. Please be safe in anything you do. And like I said before, it's not what you do or how you do it. It is, are you ready to accept the consequences of your choice? So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.